Hello investors! Now you can build your own iOS application that will be tracking corporate earnings, and this is very simple earnings calendar. I will show you how you can use it. For detailed build instructions you can follow the link. I have step-by-step guidance on how you can build it. It's very simple, no programming knowledge is required. Simply copy everything and you will be able to run this application. So once you run the application, you choose the date from. Let's say we are interested in extracting earnings from the 1st of May to the 5th of June. Or let's say, 5th of June, and then you fetch earnings, press the button over here. And after pressing the button, the application will find you earnings for your selected date range, and this is how you can monitor important earnings. Let's say that you're interested to monitor earnings. We had a lot of earnings in May, and let's say that we are interested in seeing earnings for 10 days of May. We had a lot of bigger names that were reporting their earnings in this range, and you can see their earnings and you can see their revenue, you can see earnings per share, and strong earnings per share can boost the share upside movement and create strong midterm support. You can see different data that is fetched. You can see the EPS estimates and actual estimates. So if company posts higher earnings, that was estimated, this will create stronger support for shares. And this application is very simple. Again, to get the detailed instructions, detailed guidance, just follow the link. Thank you for watching.